Come on in as far as you can.
All right, good evening, YouTube and Rumble. This is another one of the video off of our Kentucky trip we took last week. Let's see, we took off from, well, of course, southeastern United States, home base in Huntsville. Went up to Cave City to go visit Mammoth Cave in Kentucky. This thing is something like 400 miles long. I think it runs this way underground, but we only got through, I don't know, a few hundred yards of the historical area, which was enough. The place is massive. I mean, it's like an underground river gone dry under there. It's huge. Anyway, got a couple pictures of famously Fat Man's Misery, where I broke my GoPro stand because it was in my pocket. I had to bend over so much. Enjoy the video if you like. Thank you. Okay, Mammoth Cave. This is where we start the tour. Shelter A this morning. We're doing the historic tour.
Forward.
Going underground.
Now I call that. Oh, it's a cave cricket! Wow! I don't see it. Wow! Watch it down!